Today we're taking a look at the Behringer wing, and we're going to show you how to use a single, or you could do this on a quad or however many instances you need. We're just going to be using USB for defeedback, and there's one USB cable coming out of it into the USB on your card output back in the back. So once you have that hooked up, we need to go into the VST, and we'll go to Devices, Wave, and then we're going to change to the ASO Wing USB ASO driver. If you don't have that on your computer, if you didn't purchase it from us, you will need to go to Music Tribe's website or Behringer's website. They move it back and forth, grab it, get it installed, and make sure that you have this console on first before you turn the computer on. So once you have that, we'll show you how to set up everything. We have a 58 that is going into channel 8 on our inputs on the back of the console, so it will appear right here. First thing you need to do is select your channel and make sure that you unassign it from the mains. You can either turn it down or turn it off there. And then we're going to be sending this to bus 1. So we need to hit tap. We need to go to post. That way your fader will actually control it, and we'll go to somewhere near Unity. So we're going to create an effect. You'll hit effect. We're going to go over to here. We're going to hit external. So now that we have an external tap point, we can go back to hitting monitor output 1. I know it's a lot of information. Select it. We're going to go to insert, and we're going to insert this right here. So once we've inserted it, we have to get everything patched. This one's already patched, but we'll go ahead and show you anyway. You would hit there. This is going to be coming out of your effects send 13 because we are using effects 13, and we'll go that just to show you. So that is number 13. If you had this on 1, you would be using 1 left. So we'll go back to our tap point, and we're going to be doing USB audio is going to be sending to our effects, and then we will go back to our return, and we're going to be returning from the computer into this effect. So we're basically just sending out and returning into it. So that's already selected, so we're good to go. And then always remember there's an on-off switch for this tap point. So we'll go ahead and go back, make sure our channel is selected. We'll get out of routing, and then there's an on-off button for that. So then you have to select here and make sure that your bus is assigned to the mains. So then we'll have our mains up for the bus. And now you have Defeedback kind of virtually routed, if you want to call it, through USB to this, not eating up any return channels on your console. So we'll turn up this 58.
Hey, one.
And I'm going to pull up here. And then right now Defeedback is off, and you can see that I have this not selected. So I'm going to turn up. Stupid mic placement will protect his ears.
1, 2, 1, 2.
We'll get to our version feedback. And you can hear feedback. And I'm going to turn it on.
1, 2.
And we'll clear up our feedback.
1, 2.
Which is very nice.
1, 2.
We'll turn it back off again.
1, 2. 1, 2.
We'll turn it back on. And
1,
it's
2.
that quick. So this is to where you can send through a bus, and you can do it with as many microphones as you want. So we would just hit this channel, go to our sends, turn it up, hit this channel, go to our sends, make sure it's post, turn it up, and you would be able to mix using your faders, sending all of these to this one bus without having to eat up return channels for defeedback. Remember, don't use any more than 4 microphones going to one instance, and it'll make life much better for you. We're about to make a video in case you wanted to do this virtual insert on each instance of defeedback. So if these were 4 choir mics, doing 4 instances via USB. So remember to always purchase these from us if you can. We do have them in stock, and we have tons of other machines over here for the quad and other ones for our 12 instance and 6 instance. So please hit like and subscribe, and have a great day.